Hello guys, today we're gonna look at the trade that I took today on NQ. So excuse me for having a bad microphone and everything. I'm doing this off of a laptop because I wasn't at home today when I traded, and I'm still not at home. So let's do this fast. So we have a daily time frame looking bullish since we closed above this daily inversion, or since we inversed these two fair value gaps. But then 4 hour and 1 hour are definitely looking bearish. So I marked out my liquidity areas right here, and since we are bearish, this was the target, and then this was my next target. On the 15-minute time frame, I marked out everything, and at the moment of trading, I was looking at these sweeps of liquidities like it's a potential setup for longs. What I didn't see is that actually this 15-minute buy side was swept, and then we reached into the order block, and then we gave a break of structure and an inversion right here, and then we retraced back up and gave a 1 minute inversion, which was supposed to be my entry if I was looking at this at the moment. But what I didn't do right is that, however, my second entry criteria was the break structure in the 1 minute, so I entered there and I still caught some of the move, which is completely fine. This is good. We had zero drawdown on this trade, which is very nice. The right entry would have been off of the inversion right here, stop above these highs, target the same thing, a bit better RR, but it's fine. Today was a very good day in terms of the trade and in terms of the model and everything. However, I didn't quite do everything like I wanted to, so I got a bit greedy and I started looking at how much I will get in USD instead of just setting my take profits where I should have. And I put my stop take profit here. I got price took out my liquidity and started going up, and I realized, holy shit, I was being greedy. I shouldn't have done this. My take profits should have been here, even though it's a bit less RR. So when price went up into the 5-minute fair value gap, I knew it was going to react. So once it reacted to the downside, I just exited at about at like 1.5 RR, I think. And yeah, this is the only thing that I would improve from today was my emotions, and everything rest was okay. This was a solid trade and everything. Yes, eventually we would have went down for that 2% take profit, but would I need to live through all of these price action? No, it's not worth it. This is just fine. So I'm going to improve on that, and yeah, this is the 4th trade of the 30 trade challenge, which is very nice. If you want to actually see lifetime how I take trades and everything, you can do it on X. I post usually about the trades here that I'm looking at and that I'm taking, and then on Discord I also put the explanation right here about the trade. And yeah, definitely check out my Discord because you have everything here in terms of the week ahead coming up and everything. So this is the trade for today. Nothing special, just a simple trade, honestly. And yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this. I hope you learned something new.